Hello everyone, my name is Alok Pandey, and today I and my friends are going to talk and discuss about the most important topic, that is poverty in India. So, hello everyone, today we are here to discuss one of the most persistent and complex challenges India faces, poverty. Despite India's rapid economic growth in recent years, millions of people across the country continue to live below the poverty line. Poverty is not just a matter of insufficient income or resources. It also involves multidimensional deprivation. It affects access to basic necessities like nutritious food, clean water, shelter, education, and healthcare. Beyond materialistic needs, poverty limits opportunities, inequality, and affects individuals' ability to lead a dignified life. So here, my friends will continue and discuss more on this topic. Thank you.
We are going to talk about the impact of poverty on education in India. Poverty profoundly affects the education in India. It has been found that many children drop out from their school to support their parents or to feed their parents. There are many reasons of it: the lack of infrastructures, the lack of nutrition, the lack of resources. There are many reasons. So what we have to do, we have to improve the infrastructures, we have to provide the nutrition, we have to give the resources. NGO and the government together can bridging the gap. So, however, more needs to be done to improve and to ensure that every child have education in it.
Hi, I am Ankit Kumar Singh. I am going to tell you about innovation solution for poverty alleviation. To address poverty, we need innovative solutions that empower individuals. Microfinance initiative can provide small loans to entrepreneurs in rural areas, stimulating local economics. Furthermore, vocational training programs can equip individuals with the skills necessary for better paying jobs. By fostering entrepreneurship and skill development, we can create self-sustaining communities that uplift themselves out of poverty.
Hi, my name is Samir, and I am here to tell you about how collaboration between government and NGO can help in reducing poverty. So, collaboration between government agencies and NGO is essential in combating poverty because they can pool their resources, skills, and expertise for greater impact. Working together allows them to create more effective programs addressing key areas like healthcare, education, and employment opportunities. Government often provide infrastructure, funding, and policy support, while NGOs bring specialized knowledge in community engagement and flexibility. By aligning their goals and combining strengths, these partnerships can deliver a more comprehensive and sustainable approach to poverty alleviation, ensuring that efforts are more coordinated and reach those most in need. Thank you.
Rural poverty required a targeted strategy. Investment in agriculture technology can enhance productivity. The root cause of rural productivity poverty, additional being infrastructure such as road, electricity, can improve the access of marketing, enabling farmers to sell their product at a cheap price and their fair price. Educational and vocational training tailored to need a rural population and also for essential sustainable development.
So, thank you guys for listening our discussion, and with this I want to conclude our discussion. While poverty remains a significant challenge in India, understanding its complexities allows us to develop targeted solutions. By focusing on education, innovative empowerment strategies, and collaboration between government and NGOs, we can work towards reducing poverty. Together, let's strive for a future where every individual has the opportunity to thrive, contributing to a power, equitable, and prosperous India. So thank you guys.